In this video, we're going to discuss how to use the calculator to present multiple payment options. For a generic care plan that you don't need to customize, the easiest and shortest way to do this is by using global templates that you've created in advance. Every time you open a patient account, the global template that you've created will be there for you to choose from. In this example, we'll use the BCBS 36, the no discount, the 4-month payment, and also the pay in full. All you need to do is select the plan that you want to present to the patient and print them out. At this point in time, the patient is given the plans on offer and their options are explained. Once they decide, all the front desk needs to do is click on the plan that they've chosen and enter the payment details. This makes the checkout process quick and the math repeatable by eliminating data entry errors. But if you need to make specific changes to a customized plan, like deductible or copays, these are the steps you would take to prepare everything before the patient arrives. First, let's select BCBS 36, no discount. You would save it as a personal care plan once we've made any changes, and then print it. As you can see here, everything is saved with the patient's name and BCBS 36, no discount. Second, we select the BCBS 4-month plan. We then save it once we've made any changes as a personal template with the patient's name on it, and then we'd also print that. Now we can see that the personal template is also there with the patient's name on it. Third, we select the BCBS pay in full with 10% off. Once again, we make the changes as necessary and then save it as a personal template in the patient's file. From there, we just print it, and now the process is exactly the same as before. The patient is presented with their options. After they decide, they return to the front desk to set up their payment details. For this example, let's go ahead and assume the patient chose the pay in full 10% off option. The patient would return to the front desk and the staff would open up their account. Once the account was open, the staff would see the personal template of Lily BCBS 36 pay in full 10% off. The staff would hit select and the next screen would show the patient's care plan. At this point, the staff would enter today's down payment and then enter the rest of the recurring payment details. To bring up the care plan with all the payment information entered, hit print and charge patient. Now we can see the final care plan with all the payment information entered. All we have to do at this point in time, have the patient sign it, staff sign it, and then hit print care plan and send to Fortis to execute the charge.